are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to enable hidden files folder drives on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you need to open the Windows 11 file explorer like this. After this guys, on the top side you can see three dots, just click on it. From here you want to open the options. In the options guys, and here you can get this type of interface. Open the view tab and here you can get the option show hidden files folder drive. Just you need to check this option. After this guys, just click on apply, click on OK. That's it. Now you can get your all hidden files folder drives on your Windows 11. So this is the very easy and very simple method to show the hidden files folder and drives on your Windows 11 PC. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.